So now let's see how we can work around with linear wipe effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to apply the linear wipe effect, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around onto the animations folder right here, and here you can see that linear wipe is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on this particular footage, then linear wipe will be applied over here. So if I were to go around and bring in my timeline cursor, you can see the linear wipe effect right here. If I were to go around and change around the reveal length, then what happens is that it changes around the length of reveal right here in the beginning. Then you also have the conceal length right here, which allows you to go around and change around the conceal at the end of the footage right here. So around over here, you get the conceal option over here, just like this. You also go around and change around the gradient size, as you can see right here, and then you can go around and make some changes, as you can see. And over here you can go around and change around the direction, as you can see right here as well, for the reveal right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around and change this out, you can see that I can go around and revolve this around, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with the linear wipe effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe